Hey yo, this is Joe from Bad News Racing. And I am here with our brand new 2024 Chevy Colorado 2.7. We already have a tune developed for the 2.7 trucks, and just like we did with our Silverado, we're gonna go ahead and take the ECM out of this bad boy and send it in so we can tune it, so we can do some demoing on the tune. We can show you guys draggies of stock versus tuned, and then show you what we can do when we start really pushing it. Slapping on new parts, doing this, doing that. And throughout our journey in building this bad boy, we'll be creating parts. If you have any suggestions or any parts that you want to see made for this truck, leave them in the comments below. For today, we're going to start off, we got some Nerf bars that we got from Weston. They're the Pro Tracks 4 oval Nerf bars. We're going to be slapping some Husky liner floor mats inside the interior. We're originally going to go with WeatherTech, but these just happen to be much better looking for the application. So let's go ahead and open those boxes, bust everything out, and show you guys how to install it. All right, let's unbox this bastard. Alright, so the tools for the job are going to be a 13mm socket, this Allen key, which is provided, and I'm sure we're going to need some type of extension, so let's go ahead and just preemptively have those on board. So first things first, we're going to take our body trim removal tool. We're going to go underneath the vehicle, and you're going to see this plug right here. This is where we need to go, but we're going to need to go in through here. So we're going to pop that off. And right above, pop that one out too. And then we're going to move on to, this is going from the front of the vehicle. We're going to move on to the next one. This is going to be for the middle support of the Nerf bar. So let's go ahead and pop those out. And then we're gonna pass over these guys right here. Goodbye, we don't need you today. And we're gonna go to the back of the cab and go ahead and pop these two guys out. All right. So now we're gonna take our provided U-clip. We're gonna go ahead, enter the larger hole, and set it in place. You're gonna make sure that the nipple, the threaded nipple area, goes to the inside of the vehicle. So you're gonna just push that in and just put it in place. Boom. We're gonna do the same. We're gonna do the same for up top. Boom, in place. I'm gonna come over here. Boom. Boom, set in place. So now we're gonna need our yellow zinc hex head, yellow zinc locking washer, and larger washer, and drop those on. Now we're going to take this over with our mounting bracket, and we're going to go there and below. So we're going to grab two of these and go ahead and take this guy and go slap them on. So I would recommend before installing the mounting bracket that if you're going to use these nice covers, I would suggest installing it beforehand. Otherwise, it'd be a little difficult to install once this is already set in place. Okay, so the way that these work, you drop the cover on and you'll be able to see these two bottom openings will line up with these two right here. And it'll wear it like that. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your black hex bolts that come with it, and your black washers and your black locking nut, and just gonna meet them up. Just go ahead and start it with your fingers, because we're not going to want to wrench this down all too tight, because once we get all three of these on, then we're going to present our Nerf bar and get that put on. We'll wrench everything down once we got every bolt in. This is where we're going to want our extension, just so it's a little more comfortable. Oh, nice, not too tight. It's nice in. All right, so let's go ahead and grab our other two mounting brackets and install them where they need to go. We're gonna follow the exact same steps. All right, so now we're going to take our Nerf bar and we're going to present it to the mounting brackets and put our bolts in. So you're gonna get a button screw bolt, 10-tooth locking washer, and the larger black zinc washer. We're gonna use a 6mm hex bit to go ahead and crank these bad boys on. So let's present it, and we're gonna put one of our bolts in on each mounting bracket just to hold it in place so that we can put the second bolt behind. Let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and lay this guy down and line this up. Let's go ahead and just start that with our fingers. Move over to the next one. Last one. So we're gonna go ahead and now that it's on, I'm gonna go ahead and put the other bolts that go in behind on all three of them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just tighten everything in place. And once we're done doing that, we're gonna jump on over to the driver's side. They are on and nice and tight. Look at those bad boys. Now let's go ahead and take out the old mats and throw the new ones in.
right, so here we are. Truck is done. Nerf bars are on. Floor mats are in. Next episode, we're going to be taking out the ECM, sending that in, and then tuning the truck. So expect to see some stock draggy and some tune draggy. And just go from there. Like, subscribe, comment below what you guys want to see. Peace.